Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's topic you might find a little boring, but you also might find pretty helpful. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Today we're talking about how I store my media, how I used to store my media, and how I store my media now. So first, let's talk about how I used to store my media. Like most people starting out in the photography, videography business, the first thing we do is we store it on Seagate hard drives, which is great. The downfalls to them, they're a little bit slow and they pile up. Once you start getting more jobs and you're using higher end cameras, the files get bigger, etc., etc. But how I edited my footage while using these drives is I used a Samsung SSD, which was super helpful, super easy, super fast, an efficient way to edit right off. So if you have a laptop, you can plug this thing in and you can edit right off it. And it's a great way to edit all your footage when you're first starting out. As my business grew, I needed something more fast and efficient. So I bought the G-Tech RAID, which I highly recommend. They come in different terabytes, but I got the 20 terabyte version. Now with this, you can set it up as your normal RAID where you basically have 10 terabytes to use, and then the other 10 terabytes is basically mirroring all your files and it's a backup for your original footage. However, how I have it set up is I use all 20 terabytes, making it more fast and efficient. I leave it plugged into the computer and I use a cheaper way to back up my footage, which is the Seagate hard drives. So you're getting best of both worlds. You're getting the fast and efficient speeds of the G-Tech drive, and then you're getting a cheaper alternative to store your footage. If you're interested in purchasing this and you're going to look at some reviews, you're going to notice two things. One, people complain that it's too loud. Yes, it does make noise, clicking noise like any hard drive. You'll notice if you have one of the Seagate drives, it makes that noise too. It's really not a big deal. People just like to find things to complain about. And then two, the light is too bright. Now, the light is a little bright, but I mean, if you can put it in a place like under your desk or somewhere where it's not right in your eye, I don't see why it's a problem. Alright guys, so it's just a quick video today. I know talking about storage can be boring, but it's also very important. So I hope you find this helpful. If you can take anything away from this video, is that the G-Tech RAID, yes, you can edit your footage right off it and it's very fast. And I've had no issues with it so far. All right, guys, so I hope you have a great day. And until the next video, have a good one. Bye.